Okay, you go and come again if you get the proper requirements.
Alright. Alright. Good evening, Chief.
Good evening.
We're just trying to apply here in MRPD. What's the requirements?
Unang-una, nakakaintindi ba ito ng Tagalog?
Yes, I can understand
yes.
Tagalog.
Ito, unang-una, hindi kasi lahat ng mga pulis na nakuha dito is magaling mag-English. Kung sakali na magkakaroon ng aberya dahil sa communication, kinakailangan kasi marunong ka mag-Tagalog.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
He can speak Tagalog too, sir.
Kung
Yes, I can speak Tagalog.
salita ka ng Tagalog, usapin mo ko sa Tagalog.
What is that, sir? May I ask what?
Tulad ng sinabi ko, ang mga pulis dito hindi lahat magaling sa Ingles. Sa tingin ko, kung mag-apply ka tapos ang gagamitin mong lengguwahe ay English, mahihirapan at magkakaproblema tayo sa komunikasyon. Baka mamaya meron ka niraradyo, hindi nila maintindihan.
Well, it's basically a call outs, right?
Because, bro, most of the citizens here don't speak English fluently, so you should speak Tagalog.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna try.
All right.
Alright, sir.
Sige.
So, ano ang mga requirements?
Dito tayo sa opisina ko.
Sama na ba rin ba ako dyan, sir?
Bakit?
Mag-apply din ako, sir.
Sige, pasok kayo.
Okay, thank you.
Baka iniisip ng kasama mo, nagdi-discriminate ako. Paliwanag mo sa kanya na mahirap ang komunikasyon kung hindi nagkakaintindihan
Yes,
ng
sir.
mga pulis.
Naiintindihan naman
I
yan, sir.
understand, sir. I understand. Don't worry. I'm not a fucking some soft guys, you know.
Anong pangalan nyo?
First, dude. My name is Ethan Kennedy.
Ikaw?
Ako si Jack and Jill, sir.
May dala ba kayong ID?
Yes, sir. Actually, kakagaling lang namin sa City Hall, sir, at kumuha ng identification.
Sige, patingin ako.
Ikaw muna, pare, Kennedy.
Sure, dude. Here's my driver's license, Chief. And this is my citizen ID.
Okay. Do you have a weapon license?
Not yet, Chief.
Okay, you go and come again if you get the proper requirements.
Chip, Tagalog, Chip.
Ikaw, halika dito, Jack and Jill.
Ay, ito sir, ako wala pa rin akong weapons, firearms, so...
Okay, bumalik na lang kayo. Kailangan
How
yun.
much for the license?
Okay. Sige sir, kukuha na rin kami ngayon sir at babalik din kami kaagad. Sir, maliban sa firearms license, ano pang requirements?
Yun lang naman, dala kayong resume.
Okay, sige sir.
Tsaka
Resume, not certificate, sir?
magpa-medical na rin kayo sa doktor. Eto, wag mo na pababalikin tong isang to ha. At hindi ko tatanggapin dito, marunong pa sa akin.
Di ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito. Maita ulo ko.
Walang yun.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
Chief, has a fuck.
May sinasabi ka ba?
That's how you treat people here. Chief?
May gusto ko pang sabihin? Nagmumura ka ba?
Yes, of course.
Sige,
I'm not cursing you.
sabihin mo nga sa
I'm
mukha
not
ko.
cursing you. Is that how you treat people here? Huh?
Bakit? Hindi ka
Are
ba
you the chief
nakakaintindi? Ano bang
Are
mahirap
you even a real
intindihin sa
police?
sinasabi ko?
You don't even wear a badge, you know?
Huwag mo akong iduro-duro ha. Marunong ka pa sa pulis. Pati
Yeah, because
badge
I'm a
ko,
police officer.
pinakikialaman mo. Patingin nga ako ng ID mo kung pulis ka.
Not here.
Hmm.
Oh, why do you fucking cap me, huh? Why
Inaaresto
are you
kita.
cuffing me?
Nagpapanggap
Why?
kang isang pulis.
Why? Why? Why?
Sabi mo pulis ka pero wala kang ID.
Yes, that's why I'm fucking applying for police officer. I'm
Hindi
a
mo
fucking
sasabihin,
criminology graduate.
hindi mo sasabihin pulis ka.
Ah, you stupid fuck.
Disrespecting.
Disrespecting is not a fucking felony. I don't think so, Chief.
Sige, sabihin mo lahat ng gusto mo.
Yeah, because you're a fucking fuck off, you know? You're just a fucking stiff shit. Stupid cunt.
Di ko siya
Is
mapagkasya.
that how you treat people here? Oh my god. I'm fucking Shaq, you know?
Kung gusto mo ng respeto, matuto ka rumispeto.
Yes.
Saan ka, sir?
Sa tako.
Ito na ako sana sa
Okay, pasok.
Bakit tayo mo pabalikin dito?
Pasok.
Huh?
Pasok.
And why? Why?
Hindi tayo kasyang dalawa eh. Teka nga. Lumayo ka muna, officer. Lumayo ka.
Because you're a fat ass, you know?
Sige lang. Hindi siya makuha. Ida.
What a fucking joke. Okay, I go in. Right?
Pasok.
Sige, sir.
Are you detaining me or arresting me? Hey. Come here.
Ako na,
Are you
officer.
arresting me or detaining me?
Ako na, officer. Umalis ka na dito. Ilak mo yung mga pinto.
Yeah,
Tako.
Sige,
get out
sir.
here. Or you can see your fucking idiot captain.
Ano pa? May sasabihin ka pa?
Nothing, because you're fucking brainless, you know?
Sige lang.
You don't know anything about the fucking law. You're just a fucking cheap op. Fucking cunt. Pig.
Dito, pumasok ka sa loob.
And why? Are you detaining me or arresting me? Can you
What?
explain the difference?
Pumasok ka muna, pumasok ka.
Can you fucking explain the difference between the detaining and arresting? Oh, you don't know, huh? Because you're not a fucking cop. You're just a fucking brainless, stupid motherfucker.
Pangalan nito.
Oh, you don't even fucking ask me if you're allowed to search me, huh? You don't know the fucking SOPs of
Kennedy.
LSPD? Yeah, that's right. That's what I thought. Speechless, huh?
Wait lang, tatanggalin ko lang yung poses mo.
Yeah, go ahead, racist
Anong speechless?
captain. Fuck you.
Okay, so kung ganyan ka makipag-usap sa isang pulis na naka-uniforme, kung ano-ano
I don't
pinagsasabi
fucking
mo.
care. You're a
Oh.
fucking public servant.
Okay.
I can say whatever I want because you're a fucking racist.
Kumalma ka muna.
You stupid motherfucker, shut
Iiwanan
up.
kita dyan. Okay, pagkalma ka na,
Okay.
babalik ako.
Oh, no, don't do that to me, officer. You're a fucking idiot.
Gilang, sabi mo lahat ng gusto mo sabihin niya, kausapin mo sarili mo. Hindi ganyan makipag-usap sa pulis. Unang-una sa lahat, sinabi mo na magtatagalog ka pero English pa rin pinagsasabi mo sa akin. Diyan ka, mabulok ka dyan.